Welcome to the Par Beach Painting Workshop. This one's just off the coast of New Zealand in the beautiful Great Barrier Island. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to paint the transitions in tropical water on a white sandy beach, how to see and paint rocks in light and shadow, how to add crisp finishing touches, and how to use a quick outdoor painting to paint a larger finished studio piece. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.